Hello, everybody. Natalie with Noon with Natalie. I hope you're doing well today. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Natalie Mayotte. I own Master Your Authentic Voice. I'm a speaking and presentation skills expert, and I'm also the creator of Teen Talk, so a really specific program for teenagers to really perfect those presentation skills that we all know we need every day, everywhere. But more importantly, today I have a great guest. I'm super excited. I asked her to do this a few months ago and she said, "Pasha, Natalie, we're not doing this." But she reached out and I'm excited. So welcome Karine Haché from Multi-Prêts.
Hello, everybody.
Great. So let me tell you a little bit about Karine. She has a really, really interesting background. So she's actually a girl from the West Island. She's been there for 35 years, but she's now living in my hometown of Pincourt, Canada. She is now a mortgage broker with Multi-Prêts. She's been with them for the last 4 years. She graduated with the best score in the 2015 College Immobilier de Québec. And because of that, she received a grant. Congratulations. I didn't know that.
Yes, that's true.
She worked in an industry that is dear to my heart, customer service, for a good 30 years. But really right now, her passion is real estate. She thrives on building relationships with her clients and finding the best solution for their needs. Whether you're buying your first home, refinancing to make your dream come true, facing a life challenge, navigating this complex world of lenders and products, and God know, I know it, can be a lot easier if you have the right support. And that's her job. She walks you through the process, prioritizes your interests. You'll have access to 20 lenders. And at the end of the day, she will find you the option that's with the most money, that saves you the most money, services, and her services are free to her clients. And I think the word free, we don't hear very often.
No.
So I guess the question people are always asking is why should we be working with a mortgage broker and not just, dealing with a bank?
Well, first of all, we have access to like 20 lenders in one meeting. So you don't have to spend 20 meetings with each of the lenders that are available to assess the differences between each lender. The mortgage broker has access to that in one shot. So you have one meeting and you have access to everybody in one meeting. So that saves you a lot of time, and you have a lot more options that are available to you in that one meeting, because if you need somebody in a bank, they only have the options of that bank. They can't offer you anything else from another bank. Another reason is that it's free. Like you said, we don't hear that very often, but it is free for people that are buying in the residential market.
Okay.
So, which means that the way I'm paid is commission based. And when I bring you, let's say, to find a mortgage with a certain bank, that bank will pay me a commission based on that new client that they received because of my hard work.
Okay, great.
Yeah, and also like mortgage brokers are self-employed. So our boss is our client. So we have our client's best interest at heart at all times. And it's a lifelong relationship with our clients, because regardless of what bank we choose, every time you renew, you just go back to see your broker and they still have those 20 banks. They still guide you through all that diverse options that they have.
So you have all the options. You're there to build a relationship. So when is somebody supposed to seek out the help of the mortgage broker? When is the right time, or who are the right people?
Well, first of all, when you want to buy a new house, at first you want to get pre-qualified and see how much you can qualify for.
Yeah.
So you go see them when you're planning to buy a house, or you already put a promise to purchase on a house and you need to shop for your best mortgage. That's also when you go see them.
Okay.
When you get your renewal offer also, like after it's time to renew your mortgage, it's time to shop around. So you go see your mortgage broker then. If you have a financial situation where you have a lot of debts and you don't know where it's going to come from, go see your financial your mortgage broker. Your mortgage broker can maybe help you with that situation.
Yeah.
Or have like big projects, like a big renovation. You need to redo your roof. You'd like to have a pool in the backyard. You want to redo your basement. Go see your mortgage broker. Maybe they have a solution.
They can help you. Okay, cool. So this is not my area of expertise, right? We all have our areas of expertise, our strengths, as we learned this week in our BNI meeting. So besides the rate, what are some of the things that we're supposed to shop for or we look for when we're shopping for a mortgage?
Yeah, so rates are associated to a lot of things, a lot of conditions that we call. So you need to determine, am I going to take an insured loan or a conventional loan? What's the
Okay.
difference between the two? Am I going to take a fixed rate or a variable rate? And why would I choose one over the other? Are there penalties that you need to take in consideration when you choose a certain product? Is there any conditions to prepay your, like if you want to give a lump sum or if you want to pay more than is required, what are the conditions to that? You know, do we need to take insurance, life insurance or disability insurance?
Okay.
Mandatory or not? Should I take it with the bank or should I take it with an independent insurance broker?
Okay.
You know, a lot of things that you need to consider when you choose a mortgage, and when you go to a specific bank, they have all those products for you too, but maybe that's not the best option for you. So the mortgage broker will guide you to what's the best option for you when it comes to a mortgage and everything associated to that too.
Okay. I think you touched on this, but I just want to make sure we've covered it. The difference between going to see the bank and going to see you is?
Yeah, so again, we have access to like 20 banks instead of just one.
Okay.
The mortgage broker is self-employed, so their boss is you, the client.
Okay.
And that's their best interest is for you. It's a long-term relationship, like lifelong. As long as you have a house or you want to buy a house, that's one person you need to know their name. You don't need to change if you're going to change banks.
Yeah.
And it's also somebody that's an expert in mortgages. They know everything inside out. We have extensive training at the beginning, but every year also we have continuous units of training in order to keep our license active. So we are up to date with mortgages and we're experts in that.
Excellent. And I think that's the pieces that we need to hold on to, is that you do have the expertise in this area, and I've heard only great things about the work you've done with clients around the area. So I congratulate you on that. But now we have some viewers here. How do they get in touch with you? What's the best way that they can reach out to you?
Well, they can go either on my website, send me an email, call me, yeah, Facebook Messenger. I'm reachable pretty much all the time, except when I'm sleeping. So.
What? You don't have anybody answering? I can't believe that. I'm really grateful for you being with me today. I know that this was maybe a challenge for you to get on and speak live. And, this is what I do with my clients. I challenge them to get out of their comfort zone, feel comfortable with what they want to say and what they want to share. And as a speaking coach, that's how I support my clients, and I build the relationships there and help them. And I believe that I'm there for them the whole time too. It's not just a let's work together and then it's over. It's like, you need to speak to me again, call me. So once again, I have Karine Haché from les Multi-Prêts Hypothèques. If you want to reach out to her, you will be sure to find her information in the bio below in the Facebook and YouTube post. If you have any questions, please reach out to her, or you can reach out to me and ask her. Once again, my name is Natalie. I own Master Your Authentic Voice. I'm a speaking and presentation skills coach. And if you're looking for help with your presentations, I am the expert that you want to see. Whatever you choose to do today, have an incredible day, and I look forward to seeing you at the next Noon with Natalie. Thanks, Karine.
Thank you.